Welcome to our channel bacareers. In this video, let us discuss about what are wireframes. Introduction to wireframes. Definition of wireframes: a visual blueprint for designing a website or application. Purpose: helps in visualizing the structure and layout before the development begins. Importance of wireframes: facilitates communication among stakeholders, designers, and developers. Identifies potential usability issues early in the design process. Saves time and costs by preventing major design changes later. Types of wireframes: low fidelity, basic layout with simple lines and boxes, focuses on content placement. High fidelity, more detailed, includes specific elements like images, buttons, and interactions. Key elements of a wireframe: headers and footers, navigation menus, content sections, call to action buttons, user interface elements like forms, images, etc. Tools for creating wireframes. Popular tools such as Balsamiq, Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, and Agile. Best practices for wireframing. Start with low-fidelity designs and iterate towards high fidelity. Keep the user experience in mind. Collaborate with stakeholders for feedback. Conclusion. Emphasize the importance of wireframes in successful digital product design. Call to action: encourage viewers to explore wireframing tools and techniques. Have you ever wondered how websites and apps get their initial shape? The answer is wireframes. In today's video, we'll explore what wireframes are, why they're important, and how they play a crucial role in designing digital experiences. Wireframes act as a visual blueprint, allowing designers, developers, and stakeholders to communicate effectively. They help spot usability issues early, saving time and cost by preventing expensive changes later in the development. There are two main types of wireframes: low fidelity, which focuses on basic layout and content placement, and high fidelity, which includes detailed elements like images, buttons, and interactions. A good wireframe includes essential elements like headers, footers, navigation menus, content sections, and call-to-action buttons. These elements help visualize the flow and function of a digital product. Tools like Balsamiq, Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, and Agile are popular for creating wireframes. These tools offer features that make wireframing easy and efficient. When creating wireframes, start with low-fidelity designs and gradually move to high fidelity. Always keep the user experience at the forefront and collaborate closely with stakeholders to gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. Wireframes are the foundation of any successful digital product design. So, dive into the world of wireframing and see how it can transform your design process. Visit our website to learn more and get started today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.